Your Uncle Nate, the weather is absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful beach day. Do all you can, prepare for the cookout here in lovely Fordham, next to Fordham University. I'm looking forward to like cookout containers. Go to Target, get all your meats, you know, get the charcoal from the dollar store, get your cigarettes out, smoke more, worry less. Anxiety is not your friend. You know, you see these people going against the curb, walking. Yeah, this is what bravery look like. There's people who just like and you can hear cacoracha. You know, it takes like if you decapitate a cockroach, they grow back in 9 days. So anyway, if you're looking for any incidents here other than near misses and a U-turn, this is normal. All normal somehow in the Bronx. If it's like it's my favorite way, I'm gonna make a U-turn. You know, people here drive better than NASCAR. Pedestrians avoid better than like in Gaza and shit. Yeah? Here you can be like in a wheelchair and you're still better than anybody else. All hail that Bronx. Hey Jenny, thanks for showing up. You know, I'm waiting for the cookout, the Citizen App cookout. I'll bring the drinks. Hello, Satin Mom 42. The weather is ridiculously not a hurricane. As you can see, there's no revelations or no rapture and shit. It's just a nice day. See my shadow? See my reflection? Well, you can't. I don't know. Just go to the beach. Have a great... Can't nobody tell me nothing. That's the message. You know? You're trying to scare me with a major derogatory thing on my credit report? Big deal. We all have something. Well, do you think shadows are menacing? No. None. Look, the sun is out. Yeah? I am the shadow. I'm going to eat your soul. No, just kidding. Come on out. Don't be stuck inside today. Don't be the kind of citizen apper just like, well, I'm going to veg out on TV. While there's sun, while there's people, while there's opportunities for romance or family, reconnect, you know? You know, if your credit score is 2, how'd you do that? 400 is the minimum. How'd you do that? Your excellence. Show your excellence. And in Brooklyn, they got this event and 4,000 people watching it. In the Bronx, there's only 5,000 citizen appers. You know, so the few shall overwhelm the many. Believe me. That's why the elite is 1% or whatever. You guys are great. You know, if you want to say something in the chat, if you see something in the real life, say something. You know, today is a happy first responders day. Yeah.